Social Science Ninth Standard, Part Geography, Chapter 11, Natural Diversity of Karnataka. Exercises, question, answers, additional multiple choice questions and answers. First, exercises. Fill in the blanks with the suitable words. First, the months of March and May from summer season. Second, the season with the heavy rainfall is rainy season or southwest monsoon. Third, extensively soil found in North Karnataka is black soil. Fourth, the area that has evergreen forest is Western Ghat or Malenad region. 5. A district that has large forest area in Karnataka is Uttara Kannada. Question number second. Answer the following questions in brief. Sixth one. Name the 4 seasons of Karnataka. Answer. Summer season, March to May. Rainy season, June to September. Retreating monsoon season, October to November. Winter season, December to February. 7. Write a note on the rainy season in Karnataka. Answer. The rainy season in Karnataka occurs from June to September. Due to southwest monsoon winds, the Western Ghats receive heavy rainfall, especially places like Agumbe and Holikal. Rainfall decreases towards the eastern Maidan, which lies in the rain shadow area. About 80% of Karnataka's annual rainfall is received in this season, helping in the cultivation of kharif crops. Question number 8. Mention the types of soil in Karnataka. Answer. Red soil, black soil, literate soil, and coastal alluvial soil. Question number 9. Name the types of natural vegetation of Karnataka. Answer. Evergreen forests, deciduous forests, mixed forests, grasslands, shrubs, mangrove forests in limited coastal area. Next, 10th one. Why is Karnataka known as the land of sandalwood? Answer. Karnataka is called the land of sandalwood because of the abundance of sandalwood trees in its forest. Sandalwood is used to make perfumes, carved objects, soap, and medicines, which are exported around the world. Next, 11th, name the wild animals in Karnataka forests. Answer. Wild animals found in Karnataka including tiger, elephant, leopard, bison, deer, bear, wild boar, porcupine, various species of snakes and birds. It is a time to multiple choice question answer test. First question. What type of climate does Karnataka have? Options are A, B, C and D. Our correct option is second one B, tropical monsoon. Second, which is the hottest place in Karnataka? Options are A, B, C and D. Our correct option is third one C, Raichur. Third, what are the mango showers in Karnataka? Options are A, B, C and D. Our right option is second one, summer showers that help mango crop. Next, fourth one. Which place is known as the Chirapunji of South India? Options are A, B, C and D. Our right option is second one B, Agumbe. Next, which season brings maximum rainfall to Karnataka? Options are A, B, C and D. Our correct option is here the third one, southwest monsoon. 6. Which soil in Karnataka is also known as a Regar soil? Options are A, B, C and D. Our correct option is here the second one, black soil. 7. Red soil is most commonly found in which part of Karnataka? Options are A, B, C and D. Our correct option is here again third, southern Karnataka. C. Next question 8. Which soil is most suitable for commercial crops like coffee and tea? Options are A, B, C and D. Our right option is third one, literate soil. Next, 9. Which district records the lowest rainfall in Karnataka? Options are here A, B, C, and D. Our correct option is C, Nayakanahatti. 10. Which forests are found in areas receiving more than 250 centimeter of rainfall? Options are A, B, C, and D. And correct option, second one B, evergreen forests. 11. Which type of forest sheds its leaves in dry season? Options are A, B, C, and D. Our correct option is third one C, deciduous. 12. Which forest vegetation is found in areas receiving less than 60 centimeter rainfall? Options are A, B, C, and D. Our right option is here. Fourth one, grasslands and shrubs. 13. Sandalwood tree is special to the which Indian state? Our options are A, B, C, and D. Right option is here the third one C, Nam Karnataka. 14. Which district has the largest forest area in Karnataka? Options are A, B, and D. Our correct option is the final one D, Uttara Kannada. 15th, which of these is a tiger project area in Karnataka? Options are A, B, C, and D. Our correct option is second one B, Bandipur. 16. Where is the famous bird sanctuary Rangantittu located? Options are here A, B, C, and D. Our right option is second one B, Mysuru. 17. What percentage of Karnataka's land is covered by forests? Options are A, B, C, and D. Our right option is second one B, 21.19 hectare square. Next, 18. Which area in Karnataka has been declared as a World Heritage Area? Options are A, B, C, and D. Our correct option is here the first one, Western Ghats or Sahyadris.